Hi friends! Today we're gonna learn a magic trick with snow. First, we need fake snow powder in a bowl and a measuring cup with water. Always remember we have to put a little bit to not waste. Okay, now that's it because it's so much now. Now we can spread it out something. Yeah. Wow! Oh, wait. I think we can put a little. Yay! Just a little bit. Oh, that's it. That's it. Oh my gosh! It's so fluffy. Wait, do you want me to put a little more? Wait, can you put a little more snow? Yeah. That's enough. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, it's growing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I put a lot of water. I know. Okay, wait. Wait, let's do it together. That's it. Oh my gosh. I said a little bit, put a little. I think I have to put more snow. No, that's... Don't put a... No, a little. Okay. Let's put more water. Just a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh. One more. That's it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! I know I put a lot, right? I think we can bring out the toys. Yeah, that will be fun. And then we can play like we're throwing snow on top. We have a mermaid toy and we can pretend. And two babies. Yeah, and we can put snow on her hair so it can make her stylish. Yeah. And then we're gonna pretend she's sitting here and we're gonna put all snow in the French field. If you want to do that, you have to do it. It's so soft. Let that be weird. It's a big pile left and here. Friends, are you hearing me? Ooh, that's I